Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2019 Kawasaki Z400 ABS brakes, twin cylinder 400. This Street Fighter style naked just arrived with only 475 miles. Beautiful condition. It's got the rear seat cowl. I love that metallic black with the green neon paint. Low mileage, lightweight, beautiful handling, lightweight super bike. Come on by, make your Z400 dreams come true. Only $54.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.